Hey guys, this is of course Mr. Coffee. What I'm gonna do is I'm pretty excited because you're gonna get a chance to see me actually make our Oreo Frappuccino. A lot of people have been asking, hey, what is the recipe, Mr. Coffee? And I'm also going to make a caramel Frappuccino as well. But first we'll start with the Oreo. Now first of all, I wanna make sure that you know you're gonna need about, a cup of ice, okay? A cup of ice. And we won't put as much, a cup of ice. Of course, you're gonna need some water. And here are all the ingredients here that you need to make the caramel or the Oreo Frappuccino. So you can actually always pick that up. So we're gonna, of course, add a half a cup of water. We're gonna add some chocolate syrup, and I recommend, 1/4 of a teaspoon of the chocolate syrup. So we got the chocolate syrup in there. And this is just for like an individual cup size, maybe a 12 to 20 ounce cup size of Oreo Frappuccino. I'm gonna add some Oreos. I'm not using gloves this time because this is for me. Now the secret recipe that you're gonna need to pull this off is, our black coffee, okay? The black coffee, it comes in this particular box, 30 sachets of black coffee. So you can actually make this 30 times, okay? So with that being said, I recommend only putting a half a sachet of black coffee inside, and then you can kind of paper clip that and save the rest for another day, okay? And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add the Italian sweet cream, which, the Italian sweet cream, you can buy this from Walmart, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna add a 1/4 of a cup of Italian sweet cream. Okay. Now, you're all set. We're gonna blend this up. And if it's not to your thickness, then you can always add more ice. Look how quick that was. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add just a little bit more ice, make it a little thicker. Okay. Perfect. Now we're gonna do is we're gonna garnish our cup. Add in the Oreo Frappuccino. Top it off with some ready whipped cream. I love the ready whipped, so this is my favorite. And of course, we'll put an Oreo to garnish it. How is that? And then of course, we normally use a dome lid, but we'll add a straw as well. And here you have the Oreo Frappuccino. This only costs you $1 to do it at home. Okay, so with that being said, hope you guys got much out of that. See you next time.